Hello, my name's Justin, and thanks in advance for taking just a couple minutes to hear my story. Just recently, my life has changed completely, and it's still just unbelievable for me. In November of last year, I was financially, mentally, and spiritually broken. I was ashamed of who I was, and I was 3 months into my recovery from 20 years of drinking, drugging, and gambling. I was homeless, living in a halfway house for recovering addicts. I had lost everything that I had acquired for the umpteenth time. Looking for a job was one disaster after another. Everything seemed impossible. I had nothing going. It was just not good. And then something began to happen. I was given an opportunity. It was a, quote, simple, stupid system that's generating huge amounts of cash for people simply by sharing and advertising a phone number and a promo code. And that's it. And I said, all right. After all, I was sick and tired of my life. So I got involved and started sharing the number. I did so by sharing it with some of the leads I had gained access to as a paying member of this program. I kept it simple and did exactly what was suggested of me. Share the number with as many like-minded people as I possibly could. So I did. I didn't question it. And in November 2017, I generated about $3,000. In December, I got into text marketing and my profits tripled to over $9,000. In January, I put in more effort and it doubled to $18,000. This month, it's doing better as I share my story. And now I'm giving you an even better opportunity to achieve the same. This program completely changed my life, the life of a complete and hopeless failure. I literally came out of the gutter in a hellish state of mind. If I can do this, you can do this. All I did was share a number. And as I started to work, I got excited and I just did even more. Use our team and this site to achieve the same, even faster results if you really work for it. Now, I'm not guaranteeing your success, but it is possible if you work for it. As a member of our team, you'll get a free copy of this page so you can use this message to create your own life-changing testimonial. We have a 24/7 live chat room for our team as well as a password-protected training site so they can get plugged in and get set up and just learn the best possible way to start getting people to your page. You don't have to go through the struggles like I did. Everything you need for success is right here, right now. So do this. Review the rest of this page and complete all the steps below. It'll change your life forever. And when you hear back from the person that shared this page with you, ask all your questions and get started right away. Trust me, this flat out works. It changed my life and it will do the very same for you if you just let it. Thank you, my friend, and we'll see you at the top.